back to my channel. So today's video is an Amazon haul. I'm going to show you 10 products that just help me organize my things in a better way. They made my life easier, so I thought I should share them with you as well. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing that I want to show you is a storage container. So we all use storage boxes. These are like an integral part of our kitchen, but I did not want to store my food in takeaway boxes or in plastic boxes which are not BPA free and are made of very cheap plastic. So I found these boxes. This is like a square box. This is by Amazon Basics, if you must have heard of the brand. These come in a set of 3 1 liter box, and look at the color, so pretty. But the best thing about these boxes are they're very sturdy, they're airtight, and they're made of good plastic. It does not feel cheap or anything. Like it's very sturdy. It has like this lock system, so you can see. I also use glass containers, but me being very messy, I have broken most of them. So I wanted to resort to something that is very easy to handle, will not break in my hands, and yet be of good quality. So they come in 3 sizes. I bought all the 3 in sets of 3. So this is like a bigger box. This is of 1.5 liter or something, and this can be used as a lunch box as well. I mean, you can use this one also, but it kind of depends on what is your storage requirement. So they are microwave and dishwasher safe. Very good quality, very good handy, and I really like them. Definitely you should try these if you're looking for good plastic storage airtight boxes. Okay, next is a very huge item. So this is a under shelf rack which you can like slide it. Okay, sorry. You can like slide it under your kitchen cabinets or any other cabinet for that matter, and like store stuff in here. So this is like this will create extra vertical space for you to store things. So people like who have like smaller kitchens and or any place where you have cabinets and are struggling for more space, you can definitely use this. This was about 500 or something, again very affordable. And this also comes with extra these hanger sort of things where you go, I hang my kitchen towels here, so one I use to hang my paper towels and one for my clothing towels. And so yeah, it's very handy. It can hold a lot of stuff. It might like look not that big, but it can hold a lot of stuff in there, and it kind of looks aesthetic also in the kitchen. So definitely you should buy these. I like bought 3 of them and they're very good. Do not buy something which has a flat handle rather than a round handle, because then your cabinet doors might not close properly. Hence go for a flat one. This the one which has like a flat handle for hanging purpose. Okay, now let's just take a break from organization and come to travel. So my travel
mostly includes traveling from Hyderabad to Delhi, Delhi to Hyderabad, but that's like traveling home and like coming to Hyderabad. So
I use a lot of flights. So
in flights there is a baggage restriction where you can just carry a limited amount of luggage, which I really struggle with. So
I bought this. Oh, please don't mind my lipstick stain. So I bought this. This is a portable weighing scale. It can measure up to 50 kgs. It measures both in kgs and pounds. It's really handy and it's very accurate also. So like I've paid a lot of fines for baggage overweight, and so if you want to avoid that fine and you really travel very frequently using flights, then definitely buy this. So it has like an auto off function, like I turn it on and then you hang it here, so it will tell you the weight of your luggage. And handy also, so if you want to carry it along, it's not that heavy. It's battery operated. I think it uses AAA batteries if I'm not wrong. Yeah, it uses 2 AAA batteries, and yeah, it's very convenient. It's very chic also. So definitely if you travel a lot, do buy this. Okay, so now since we're discussing travel, another accessory that you will need very frequently, even not just in flights but also if you're stepping out of the house post-COVID, are masks. mask. Okay, so these are disposable surgical masks, and they are in pink color because why not? So these are 50 disposable surgical masks, and I also got on the trend where, you know, people were buying fancy clothes masks, wearing, you know, designer masks, and I also bought a couple of them from a lot of, you know, very expensive masks. But I realized that
I was very lazy and I did not want to wash them. So what happened, apparently I ran out of
my mask and I did not have a clean mask to step out with. So in order to solve that problem, lazy girl best friend, use the surgical mask. I apply makeup, as you can see. So my mask also gets stained with the makeup, which is a nightmare to remove, FYI. So
if you are lazy
like me, then you can buy these masks. This again comes for rupees 500, I guess. I think we can make this video under 500 products that you need, but let's see. Just, you know, it's just like a tissue dispenser, you know, you just pull out a fresh mask. I'm not gonna do that because I don't need it right now, and go on with it. In fact, since I bought it, a lot of people are using it in my house, so that's really nice. Definitely, if if you're facing a problem like me, then definitely do try these. They also come in different colors like green, blue, and I think yellow also. I'll link them down for sure, so you can check it out.
product is again related to kitchen because that's my favorite place.
And this is a digital timer. So now, as unnecessary as it might seem, I bought it
because I have this very bad habit of putting the milk for boil and then just forgetting about it. So just to avoid the
post spillage cleanup, I bought this. So I stuck it on my fridge and I just set a timer for 10 minutes, and post that I have been successfully able to avoid milk spillages on my gas stove. So juggling between work and kitchen post COVID times, ladies, if you can relate. So definitely it comes very handy if I am putting something which I need to check after a while and needs monitoring every once in a while, then definitely use this. You can totally use your phone for this also, but I have this, if I can avoid my alarms, I can definitely avoid a timer in my phone also. But since it is stuck in the kitchen, so to stop it, because it's very loud, so just to stop it, I have to walk to the kitchen and then I can attend the thing that I left on the stove. So very handy is that way. And it also has like this little stand, which you can use it if you want to place it on the desk. If you don't want to use the magnet, or you don't have somewhere to stick it on the magnet, you can definitely use it as a stand also. So that's also it's very handy. And okay, next product is a jewelry organizer. So this is a jewelry organizer. You can store your very delicate, intricate jewelry in this. And the again, short story time why I bought it, because
I just store my jewelry, like I put it in a big box and everything gets tangled and something or the other breaks,
and I have to buy new jewelry for it. So saving money by stacking them perfectly. So as you can see, these have like 4 flap pockets, and then you have a big pocket right here. Let me just open it. Yeah, so you have one pocket here.
But I have lipstick stains all over. Sorry.
So as you can see, it has a lot of pockets where you can separately store your big earrings. I have my Chan Balis here, I have a choker here. So I bought a couple of them to store my jewelry. Firstly it keeps them intact, they don't oxidize under this, and it's made of very silky fabrics, so they stay very well maintained inside it, if I have to say. And it also looks pretty. It's very easy to carry also, like if you're carrying it, so you can definitely just pop it into your luggage and you're good to go. You don't need to find some special box where you can store your jewelry, or bubble wrap to wrap it up in something, especially with the delicate jewelries or necklaces that we have. So you can definitely pop things here and it will be good to go, since it's very cushiony, so it will protect your jewelry from getting damaged. Next item that I have is mostly both skin and hair related. Like if you want to avoid hair fall or hair tugging into your pillows, and if you want to avoid pimples, you should use a satin pillow cover. So I have this one. Oh, it's getting reflected. So I have this one here.
It's very satiny, silky.
pillow cover. I bought them in a couple of colors, and they're very
nice. They're very soft. I will not put it. I have makeup on.
So these are pillow cover. They're very big, as you can see. I think they come in different sizes also, and they come in a lot of colors. So if you want to match them with your existing bed sheets, you can definitely do that. And they're quite affordable also. I'm not sure if this is mulberry silk, but this is the website said it's of silk, made of silk satin, and you know, you can just see it's so soft. You can put it in your hand also like that. So definitely, if you're someone who's facing, you know, pimple problems, you know, excessive acne issues, hair fall for that matter, I kind of suffer from both here and there. So I use them, and I'm not sure if they've really made a difference, but it definitely gives a luxurious sleeping experience. So I think I would recommend, if you're having a lot of pimple issues, this might significantly help you in reducing your occurrence, if not, you know, helping with the, you know, reducing your existing acne, but it will help prevent more acne. So definitely give this one a try. Okay, last but not the least, I have again another organizer, because we love organizers. So I have this huge baby right here. This is from a company called homestrap.com, and this is a closet organizer. So as you must be able to figure out, this is, you know, you can stack your clothes here. I basically used it to organize my husband's wardrobe, because I couldn't find a single thing when he had organized it. But definitely I use them, because you know, you can stack their shirts, their t-shirts, their trousers, their jackets, their pullover sweaters very easily. I will insert my husband's wardrobe picture here somewhere, or a video clipping of how I organized it, and it has made his life and my life very easy. So definitely give this one a try. If you definitely you can use it on your own. That's just my personal opinion, that women clothing might not be very successful for this, but yeah, if you think you can, then definitely give it a try. It's a very useful product. It's just that I could not do it. So but yeah, definitely for your husband, this is the best solution you can get it out there. Do give this one a try. Okay, that was all for today. If you like the video, do subscribe and like my video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.